To extract a substring of a given length within any text string starting from a particular character, use find or search in combination with the mid function. We have skews in column A. To extract 3 characters after the first dash, use the following formula. Use the find or search function to determine the position of the first dash. Because you want to extract the substring from the character that follows the dash, add 1 to the returned value and embed the function as the second argument, start num of the mid function. Since you want to extract 3 characters after dash, pass 3 as the third argument. To extract 3 characters preceding the dash, subtract 3 from the position of the dash and embed the function in the second argument, start num of the mid function. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.